Hi friends, welcome back. In the previous video, we looked at analytics to get an overview of our channel. In this video, the next tab is translations and transcriptions. Of course, this is not having anything because this is newly created tab in YouTube. What is name indicates translations and transcriptions. For example, my sister is making videos in Telugu. If someone wants to make a translation of that into English language, those things are visible here. Of course, we are not doing anything, so you also no need to worry too much in the beginning. Once if you are having a real good videos and if you want to translate them, then only you need to bother. See you in the next video. Thank you.